Last minute.
Para malaman natin. So, dahil na,
Tapos na?
na-encourage mo kami sa mga dapat.
Oh, good. Plus, sabi na kamay yung tapos na.
Tutok na tutok yun.
Alright.
Tumayo ka na.
Sige, tapos
First day to first day.
Sino ang tapos na? All good. Okay, at this point in time, we invite all of the leaders. Can you please stand in front? Come on, come on. I-encourage naman natin yung leaders to stand in front. Come on. Come on. Grabe naman tayo mga pag-iyak-iyak. Let's go. Yeah.
Napakaswerte namin.
Dita, come on. Come on, church, I need you to cheer for your leaders. Encourage them. Ano ba yan? Alright. Okay, so I am seeing a lot of leaders. Everyone, palakpakan naman natin ating mga youth leaders.